Welcome to Kuki Decor, where nature meets creativity and sustainability transforms into style. Today, we are diving into the soulful world of reclaimed wood where old, forgotten timber finds new life as stunning furniture and decor. Every scratch, crack, and grain of reclaimed wood carries a story, a memory of time, weather, and craftsmanship. What once stood as a barn beam, a floorboard, or an old door can now be reborn into timeless designs that add character and warmth to your modern home. If you've ever looked at a piece of wood and seen potential beyond its rough surface, this video is for you. There's something incredibly soulful about giving old wood a new purpose. Every reclaimed plank, every weathered beam, and every worn-out board holds a history, a story of seasons, years, and craftsmanship gone by. Reclaimed wood isn't just a building material, it's a piece of nature's memory, repurposed to tell new stories in modern homes. In a world obsessed with the new, turning to reclaimed wood reminds us that true beauty often lies in what has already stood the test of time. In this video, we'll explore the charm of reclaimed wood, project ideas that transform discarded timber into timeless furniture, and decor pieces that bring warmth, texture, and authenticity into any living space. Reclaimed wood comes from barns, old houses, railway sleepers, and factories that once held life and labor. Instead of being burned or left to decay, this wood can be reborn into furniture that carries both history and character. The rich grains, the nail holes, and the weathered pattern are all add a sense of depth that new wood simply can't replicate. When you touch a reclaimed wood table, or run your fingers along a rustic beam shelf, you feel more than just a surface. You feel time itself. That's why reclaimed wood has become a beloved choice for designers, DIYers, and eco-conscious homeowners alike. One of the best places to start your reclaimed wood journey is with furniture projects that blend rustic character with modern design. Imagine crafting a reclaimed wood dining table where every meal feels grounded in tradition, or building a sturdy coffee table that becomes the centerpiece of conversation. The natural imperfections of reclaimed timber, the knots, cracks, and faded tones are what make each piece truly unique. Whether you prefer a polished, modern finish or a raw, organic look, reclaimed wood adapts beautifully to any design style. For those who love the cozy charm of rustic interiors, reclaimed wood shelving is a wonderful project idea. Floating shelves made from old barn would bring instant warmth to a minimalist space, while thick reclaimed planks can serve as bold statement pieces in kitchens, living rooms, or even bathrooms. Pair them with black metal brackets or hidden supports for a clean, industrial aesthetic. You can use them to display books, plants, or handmade pottery, creating a balance between nature and artistry that makes your space feel grounded and authentic. Now, let's talk about smaller decor items, the perfect projects for beginners. Reclaimed wood picture frames, candle holders, and planter boxes are easy to make but carry immense charm. They make wonderful personalized gifts or simple home touches that speak of craftsmanship and sustainability. A small piece of reclaimed wood can become a rustic wall clock, a cozy tray, or even a geometric sculpture that blends traditional materials with modern shapes. Each small project gives you a chance to express your creativity while saving wood from the landfill. Reclaimed wood can also shine in modern, minimalist homes when used thoughtfully. A sleek reclaimed wood coffee table with hairpin legs, or a reclaimed timber headboard behind a crisp white bed creates the perfect contrast between old and new. It adds soul to modern spaces and reminds us that sustainable design isn't about giving up beauty, it's about redefining it. If you're enjoying these inspiring reclaimed wood ideas, don't forget to subscribe to Kuki Decor for more creative, sustainable furniture and decor inspirations. Hit the like button and share your favorite project in the comments. Your support helps us keep crafting beauty from nature's gifts. If you want to take your projects a step further, try combining reclaimed wood with other upcycled materials. For example, pair it with old metal pipes for an industrial bookshelf, or integrate reclaimed planks into a modern resin tabletop design. This fusion of rustic and refined creates a timeless aesthetic that stands out in any decor style, from farmhouse charm to modern minimalism. Stay tuned till the end to see more amazing reclaimed wood transformations. And if you love working with natural materials, check out our other videos on live edge tables, rustic benches, and sustainable wood decor ideas right here on Kuki Decor. Let's continue crafting with purpose and passion. One of the most rewarding things about working with reclaimed wood is the sense of transformation. There's immense satisfaction in knowing you've turned something old and overlooked into a statement piece that adds character to your space. Every nail mark and faded stain becomes a reminder that beauty doesn't have to be new, it just needs to be rediscovered. As the world moves toward sustainability, reclaimed wood projects have become more than a trend, they represent a lifestyle. It's about appreciating resources, crafting mindfully, and choosing decor that carries meaning. Whether you're a seasoned craftsman or a beginner DIYer, reclaimed wood invites you to slow down and reconnect with the tactile, imperfect side of design. So, whether you're building a dining table, designing a cozy accent wall, or crafting small home decor pieces, remember this: every reclaimed wood project is an opportunity to breathe life back into something once forgotten. With a bit of imagination, care, and creativity, you can create timeless furniture and decor that reflect your values and style. At Kuki Decor, we believe that sustainability and beauty go hand in hand. Our mission is to inspire people to craft meaningful spaces that honor both nature and craftsmanship. Reclaimed wood is not just material, it's a bridge between the past and the future, between function and artistry. When you build with reclaimed wood, you're not only creating furniture, you're creating legacy pieces that stand as a testament to renewal, resilience, and creativity.